Hey YouTubers, I'm back with another video. I can't believe it's about to be 2023. Happy New Year's Eve. Today I am doing a video. I'm gonna take you along with me. I will be getting my makeup done. I will be going out and I'm just gonna celebrate this year. How did your year go? Did you do your vision board yet? Did you write down your 2023 goals? I'm just trying to keep y'all accountable. But yeah, let's get to it. I will be taking you guys along with me. All right, you guys, I am headed to my makeup appointment. You're gonna see my face get slayed. Check out the hoodie. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You guys can't check out the back, but whatever. This is Free Game. This is my brand. Conquer your demons. All right, I'm about to get my makeup done. And there you have it. That is my mini vlog for the day. Thank you for tuning in. Happy New Year's to everyone. I wish you guys nothing but the best. See ya.